Germany has announced a major new military support package for Ukraine during the latest Ukraine Defense Contact Group meeting. The focus is on strengthening Ukraine's air defense capabilities, with the delivery of IRIS-T air defense systems, along with other military hardware like self-propelled howitzers, tanks and infantry fighting vehicles. Defense Minister Boris Pistorius confirmed that 50 IRIS-T surface-to-air missiles, originally meant for the German army, will be redirected to Ukraine. This decision aims to address the urgent defense needs of Ukraine amidst the ongoing conflict with Russia. The IRIS-T is a short-range missile developed as part of a German-led program that began in 1995. The IRIS-T SLM variant, with a range of up to 40 kilometers and an altitude of 20 kilometers, is now central to Ukraine's defense strategy. These missiles are critical in intercepting a variety of aerial threats, including Russian drones and missiles, which have been increasingly targeting both military and civilian infrastructure in Ukraine. In addition to the air defense systems, Germany has been providing Ukraine with a range of other military equipment. In late 2024, Germany delivered 30 M84A4 main battle tanks and 30 M80 infantry fighting vehicles as part of NATO's Ringtausch program, an equipment exchange initiative among NATO allies. These additions enhance Ukraine's combat capabilities on the ground. Germany is also looking at long-term investments in Ukraine's defense industry. Although specific details remain unclear, plans are in place to support the development of Ukraine's military manufacturing capabilities to ensure it can produce critical resources domestically. The German government has paused a €3 billion military aid package, which would have included additional IRIS-T systems, Patriot missiles and self-propelled howitzers, due to political concerns ahead of elections in February 2025. However, other military support continues, including the delivery of artillery, ammunition, and various air defense systems. Since the start of the war, Germany has provided Ukraine with a comprehensive range of air defense systems, including IRIS-T SLM systems, Patriot launchers, Jeopard anti-aircraft guns, and air surveillance radar. These efforts form part of a €28 billion military aid package aimed at strengthening Ukraine's defense forces. With missile and drone strikes from Russia intensifying, systems like the IRIS-T are becoming increasingly important. Ukraine's air defense strategy is evolving, with a focus on countering missile and drone threats. The addition of advanced fighter jets such as the F-16 Fighting Falcons has further bolstered Ukraine's offensive and defensive capabilities. The IRIS-T system, with its advanced infrared guidance and thrust vector control, is capable of engaging a wide range of targets, from aircraft to UAVs and cruise missiles. The system is adaptable with future developments like the IRIS-T SLX, a long-range variant designed to counter emerging threats, including hypersonic missiles. Germany's continued support plays a key role in Ukraine's efforts to defend its sovereignty against Russia's aggression. With these advanced systems, Ukraine is better equipped to face the ongoing challenges of the war and protect its skies from aerial attacks.